I am sure you noticed that there are lots of digital product platforms out there where you can create digital products and you can sell them. Well, now which one should you start with? Which one is the best? Which one is the most profitable? You don't have to find out all of this by yourself, because here I am and I'm starting 3 experiments, 3.5, 4, so that you don't have to sign up for all of these accounts. You can just watch the results of my experiments and you can decide for yourself. Hi there, my name is Emese from Everything Digital, and here on this channel I talk about digital products, making money online and business finance. In today's video I will talk about the experiments, some digital product experiments that I'm starting in the month of May. There are for sure 3 of them, but we will see a few more optional ones, and depending on your requests and on your demands, I might add more. So let's start with the first experiment. So the first platform that I will start a digital product business on is the Amazon KDP platform. KDP stands for Kindle Direct Publishing. Here I plan to create and promote low content ebooks, not just ebooks but printed versions as well. So low content books and notebooks and logbooks, so this type of digital product. The goal would be to add 50 notebooks or KDP items in the month of May. This would be the base goal, but the more the merrier. And then we will add as many as possible in the upcoming 3 months, and we will see how fast can this be scaled. And of course I will share my results in a monthly video. The timeline, yes, I mentioned that it would start in May, and for sure I will document it for 3 to 6 months, and we will see how much we can generate with this business model. I heard good things about the Amazon KDP program, so I'm very optimistic regarding this experiment project. So the second experiment would be a brand new Etsy shop, and how fast can you scale a brand new Etsy shop to making, let's say, $100 a day. Here I plan to create mockups. I did this before and I know how to create the actual images for the mockups. We will create mockups for invitations, wedding items, tags, all kinds of stuff. Not Canva template, not Canva mockups, but these will be actual photo mockups that I plan to take very pretty pictures of these scenes, and we will create mockup files out of them in Photoshop, and maybe we can add a few layers in Canva too, but we will see about the volume of the work that we face in the upcoming months. The goal would be to add 15 bundles plus a few other single digital products as well. 15 is a lot, I'm not going to lie, so that's why I plan to start this experiment at the end of May or the beginning of June, and we will see how fast can we scale this Etsy shop to make $100 a day. The timeline of this experiment will be a long one, at least 6 months I would say, and I would like to expand the KDP experiment as well to 6 months to a year, so that we can get a clear picture of how fast can these businesses be scaled. And the third experiment that I plan to do is a Shopify store. I worked with WordPress before, but not with Shopify, so I would really like to try their platform and to see how can we build a digital product shop there in Shopify. And here we will have to generate our own traffic to this shop. So we will have to work on a strategy to drive traffic to this shop. I plan to do free and paid traffic as well, and I will document everything so you will not miss 1 minute of this experiment. So these are the 3 experiments that for sure will be done in the upcoming months. And I have a few other ideas, but if you would like to see some other experiments, leave a comment down below and I will consider doing those as well. The other two ideas that I was contemplating was to start an Etsy print-on-demand website, and the other one was to build a website in WordPress for digital products. Well, I already did it on the website that I'm launching soon, and I will create a few tutorials on how to do digital products in WordPress. But for now, for the sake of this experiment, I will stick to Shopify. So yes, if you have other requests, please leave it down in the comments, and I will take them into consideration for the next experiments that we will do together. Short and concise, that was today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Please consider subscribing to my channel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye!